Struggling with acne, oily skin, and stubborn breakouts? The solution might be hiding in two powerful natural ingredients, neem and tea tree.
Neem and tea tree are well known for their antibacterial and skin-purifying prompt to skin.
Neem contains powerful antibacterial compounds that help fight acne-causing bacteria, while tea tree oil penetrates pores and reduces inflammation. This soap helps control excess oil production, preventing clogged pores and reducing future breakouts. The cleansing action of herbal soap removes dirt, toxins, and impurities from deep inside the pores.
Neem and tea tree also help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and support faster skin healing.
Regular use of neem and tea tree acne control soap can help keep your skin clean, balanced, and naturally healthy. Need a neem and tea tree acne soap formula? Contact Alchemist, your formulation partner anytime for paid formulation services.